all you cool cats and fine felines. It's Leah and
Lynn.
And today we are in Denver, Colorado, exactly 1 mile above sea level. So, Lynn, what are we gonna do?
Get into the groove.
Good morning. Coming to you from
The edge of the Rocky Mountains.
Yeah, Westminster, Colorado. Look at the view. It's like a postcard on our hotel room window. You got the little Christmas trees right here, the mountains, and earlier we had a little paraglider flying around.
Or something. There was a guy that was, I don't know why we didn't get our camera out and film it, but
We had just woken up. It was early.
It was very early. I bet that guy had a spectacular view from the height that he was on that little
You know he did. It's Snarf's Sandwiches. Look at that. It actually smells really good. Ah, damn good pizza. This is beautiful Golden, Colorado. We just had an almond croissant and a latte and... Oh, it's a Table Mountain Inn. It's a hotel. That's cool. It's like an adobe. A little minor. There are little statues everywhere. When all else fails, beer and pizza.
You see that damn good pizza?
I did. Canteen? Oh, it's got Coors in it. Because the Coors plant's right around the corner. We're gonna go tour that later too. That's beautiful.
That brickwork is amazing, and if I'm not mistaken, those are like porcelain brick. Is that what it is? Like porcelain?
I don't know.
Ooh, that's nice. Like I said, the statues are everywhere.
Theater is gorgeous. It says gnarly in there. What is that? Gnarlies. What is that?
Faith Tattoo Gallery.
It used to be a drugstore.
Gnarly.
I wonder what that is.
Foss Drugs, 1913.
Oh, it's like you see a lot of shows there. Look at that building with all those rocks.
And from back there, you can see it has like a little, not a spire, but it has a little cube coming up out of it that has 4 pillars on each side. Look at the Piggly Wiggly. Hoggly Woggly. It's so gorgeous out here.
Here we are at Lookout Mountain. Apparently the Buffalo Bill grave is closed. They're doing road work up there. We'll have to come back, but look at this view. Wow. And we saw on the way up here, there was a whole group of little deer grazing together. It was beautiful, wasn't it? There are huge houses. Buffalo Bill's grave's over there. We're gonna try to come back though. And Lynn was just pointing out here all the little animals you can
Look
see.
at the
Albert squirrel. That's so cute. The Albert squirrel. Rocky Mountain elk. Look at the coyote. North American porcupine.
And the little black bear.
He's so cute.
Yeah, he's so cute.
He'll eat you.
Until you're his freaking...
His belly.
Dessert.
His dessert. Where the mountains meet the plains. Yeah, we were talking about that when we landed. It was flat.
We flew in here and driving from, the airport is west of Denver, so we had to drive like 45 minutes, and it was all flat, and I was like, for the Rocky Mountains, this is kind of flat, but the closer you get to the city, you
start to see
start
mountains.
to see all this.
Look at the snow-covered mountains way in the distance.
I need to say east is here, east of the...
This is so beautiful. It's quite windy up here. So I think we're gonna go back down to Golden and get some lunch in a little bit. Maybe a pizza. Somebody stacked all these little logs and made a little meal fence.
Look at all the snow still on the ground. This is April 21st.
Yeah.
All the snow's on the ground.
Look at the little ranger's hut. He does a good little job just hanging out here.
Yeah. That'd be a really cool job.
He saw us, we were lost.
He knew we were lost, not from around here. There you go.
So, even though the Buffalo Bill Museum was closed, we made it to Red Rocks. This has been on our bucket list for a long time. Here we are. It's beautiful. Red Rocks. It's like incredible. It's breathtaking. You can't even describe how big it is until you're here. I had no idea. Wow.
Oh yeah.
It's breathtaking. They're ready. They got popcorn. This is beautiful. Hey, Lynn. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That's gorgeous too. It'd be so pretty with all the little twinkle lights. On Sundays they have church here, and on Saturdays they have yoga here. I can too. I didn't know I was hungry. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Look, you can see Denver. And Denver over there. Wow. This is amazing. Look how big the stage is. I wonder who that is down there. And they're playing Sublime. This is a dream come true. For real. This is like
This is our
surreal.
to see a show here. We need to come back and see someone amazing perform here. That would be so awesome, and we will.
We will.
I know we're going to see something.
Yeah, it'll happen. Okay, so that was a fun day. Well, it was. And now we're back at the hotel. Look at the wallpaper. It's really groovy. Look at that little poodle.
There's poodle there, dude. There, if you can pick out all the things.
There's a UFO.
There's a cock-a-doodle-doo.
The
There's a
UFOs.
couple of those. There's a giraffe. There's an astronaut somewhere.
I think the poodle's probably my favorite because it has sunglasses on.
I like the those. There's an astronaut somewhere. Oh, and there's that sign right there. I mean, he's on the other one somewhere.
Yeah, it was a great day.
We're exhausted again. Imagine that.
We're about
because this Mile High stuff. It's not a joke.
It is
It
harder
really
on
is.
you, but we've done really good.
We really have.
So, Lynn, what do you think our viewers should do?
If you like this video and seeing us do things like this, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Atomic Hive. That's what really helps us out. If you guys that are watching that haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button and see what happens next. You never know. And you can also hit that notification bell and you'll be notified when we upload new videos.
That's right. Yeah, so until then,
stay groovy.